Ayan dyan, may laptop. Tapos ito naman, mga jacket lang yan, malalambot. Tapos dyan, pagod ako. Dadalhin ko 2 weeks na naman kami dun sa New York. Marami akong dinala kasi mas malamig dun. Para meron tayong panglapos sa mga lawas natin paglamigin, Jai. So, more on jacket si Jai. Dumami din yung medyas ko kasi medyas na mahaba. Hiningal ako. Yung bago kong maleta, mas malaki at maluwang. Daming laman yan, Zai. Susulit yan for Philippines. Kahit din ako magdala ng gamit, Zai. Mga dapat pasalubong. Kung meron.
That's nice.
I like that.
Put an apartment up on the top. We gotta go to 50 East.
Saying we don't give a damn about your games unsolved. Toward the Republican Party with
Hello, welcome to Orlando Bay. First time na Orlando Airport. The Allegiant, sinasakyan namin ngayon, guys. Today is summer flight going to New York, down to Albany. We're going to New York, Albany. We're going on board na dyan sa loob, Jai. Going to get on board. I have my ticket and boarding pass. I mean, they are waiting. Alis na kami. Finally, delay kami, guys. Mag 7 o'clock na. Instead na 6:05 nag-onboard kami, baka 6:30 dapat alis na, which is kanina pa. Ngayon pa alis pa lang, guys. 7 o'clock. To the Albany,
That will be your only indication.
New York.
It's safe for you to get up at that time. Please check around you for any personal belongings for your travel plans. I take it that this is where you call home. Pleased to be the first to welcome you home. And on behalf of Allegiant and your entire flight crew, I want to thank our men and women of the armed forces that have retired, along with all of our
baggage claim now. Dito na kami sa New York, Albany, their international airport. Here. Dahil 2 hours away, more than 2 hours away pa siya mula pa uwi sa Sherrill, New York. Dito kami bumaba. Siguro, ang Allegiant hanggang Albany lang ang lipad. Walang Syracuse, New York. So, dahil dito kami ni binaba, ibig sabihin dito lang yung lipad nila. Alala ko lang na pinaka-worst scenario kung napunta na airport Chicago. Kasi sa lahat ng napunta namin Chicago, ang pinakamalaking airport at pinaka-busiest, and kahit saan ka pumunta dahil nandoon lahat ng sakayan sa airport dahil na mga lugar sa Amerika dahil palabas loob. Finally, blue sky.
Only 7 byte, and they're the
Hello, Alexander! Alexa tuloy. Dex.
Hi, girls.
These are my fishing socks. So I got a fishing
Oh,
that
fishing
looks
rod?
like shit. I got this on my knee.
Who did
Oh,
it?
whoa,
Everybody?
that's
Some
cool.
lady.
Oh, some lady.
And then I got
Wow. Hummingbirds.
great grandma's,
Nice.
and then Grandma Georgie's flower, Mom's flower, and Grandma Carla.
Nice.
And that's Grandpa's birthday.
Wow.
Did your uncle give you a flower? No, because you didn't put anything flower. Everybody. Look at that, very gloomy and bad weather. It's been a couple days, it's been raining. Eureka, kung naalala nyo dito kami lagi nanonood kami dito ng laro na base hockey, which is last year December, mga bare months yung puro snow ng panahon na puro hockey. So nanood kami dito before ng hockey sa Eureka here in New York.
This is where I used to live, not Portland.
Amsterdam.
Not the Netherlands.
Take the next left onto Steadwell Avenue.
Town of Greenville. We're still here in New York, guys.
At the light, turn right onto Washington Avenue, then slide right.
5 east, keep it straight. Hold on, hold on.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Clinton Street.
We're right now in Albany County.
Albany County, yeah.
We're already
We
here.
have 5.1 miles to go to our hotel.
Okay.
We're looking for 5 east.
It's say here.
To the right?
Yeah, you're right. Kami nagstay sa Ramada
In
Plaza.
500 feet, turn left onto Everett Road. Everett Road
We're
extension.
already right now here in Albany, New York. So, may game kami ngayon, football. Saglit lang kami, maglaro 1 hour lang kami dito sa hotel, din labas na ulit. Gutom, kakain kami. Siyempre, nagbiyahe kami mula kanina pang alas 12. Alas 3 na. Ano, alas 4 na nga eh. So, gutom na tayo, and then may laro kami 7 ngayong gabi. Ito malapit lang. Ayun, nakita ko. May airport dito banda. Diyan siya kakataas niya lang dyan doon. Okay, we're in the city. Albany, capital city of New York. Dito na tayo guys sa mga puro building. Dito naman ako dati, last year. Nanood kami ng hockey dito. Sa Albany. The last time I was been here was so winter time. It's cold. Kaya yung daanan, it's more on na familiar sa akin nung pinadaanan namin ulit. Kasi puro snow ngayong huli ako dito dahil ibang-iba. Kasi puro na-green eh. To the state capital of New York, Albany.
Schultz Gardens Center
Albany.
reminds you that May is gifts from the Garden Month. May is the month
Agony
to
is
celebrate the
allowed
many ways
visas.
gardens and
Agony.
gardening benefit people, from annuals to perennials. Many gardening
Downtown.
needs at Schultz
Well, where
Gardens
we're
Center
going is
Center
actually downtown. This is like the
grows.
outskirts, but
No parent wants to hear.
once you get down by the arena, this is like the government center. It's probably like state capital in that area. That building, I think, is theirs.
Is it Wyoming, it's Warren, Ontario.
This one with the big red roof. We're by the park. This is a neat building, I think.
Let's see.
In a quarter mile, continue straight to stay on Eagle Street.
Kami nung nakaraan.
At
Ito
the
yung
light,
parking sa
turn right
ilalim.
onto Lodge Street, then turn right onto Beaver Street.
Yep, Beaver, remember. Come on over here. Here the parking.
Turn right onto Beaver Street, then you will arrive at your destination.
Parking. Pizza. Dito kami last year. So I ordered 2 slices of pizza with the wings. So while we are here, happy to be back here. Basta di na malamig. Sakto lang. Okay, lunch and dinner. Have Pepsi and have ginger. Yung background na to, yung may malaking billboard na may ilaw sa labas din sa taas dito. Bakit mo ng hagdan? So we are here in BP Arena. Dito kami last year. Diyan bakit kayo dyan manood ng hockey. Since yung panoorin namin na football is indoor. So pang hockey field lang siya. So dito yung laro. Ito pa rin sa taas dyan sa may Third floor. We're here inside the arena. Dito na kami dahil marami ng tao. Pasok na kami sa loob. Manood tayo na football. We're here inside. Ito yung kung saan kami nanood the last time. Tingnan natin kung may nabago ba. Mukhang iba na yung itsura sa loob. Pero ito yung before. Nanood kami dito last year ng hockey. So, dahil indoor football, yun, gagamitin nila maglaro yun sa hockey. Na space dito lang din. So, same place lang din tayo ulit. Same parking lot. Kaiba lang ang mga tao. Tapos, iba yung itsura ng playground. Oh, nakikita ko na. Iba yung itsura ng football. Sabi nga daw, mas maingay tsaka exciting, masaya daw to. So, we'll see. It's my first time watching football. Let's go! Wow, first time to see the football. Ganyan yan eh. Iba. Lapit muna natin yung upuan natin.
As the Boy Scout Troop 3010 presents tonight's colors. Please remain standing if you can and remove your caps as we welcome tonight's national anthem performers, the Saratoga Buglers, Tony and Carson Gambaro. That's what we're doing. Derek Townsend. Jalen Schmidt.
kanina pa sigaw ng sigaw. Nag-enjoy niya dyan. Puro sigaw. O, diba? Wala nang hotel. Biyahe ulit kami bukas dahil 5 hours to Pennsylvania.
That's the state education building it said.
Kaganda ng building dito.
Pretty much all over in that
Ganda
complex.
ko.
Gotta keep an eye out for Central, my love.
Yeah.
Okay?